That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Welcome to the 6th tutorial on Theme C. We will be looking at how tribunals can be used to resolve disputes, ombudsman and advantages of using mediators. A mediator acts as a go-between between people in dispute in order to resolve a problem. An ombudsman is an official who is appointed to investigate individuals' complaints against a company or an organization. Tribunals are set up to resolve certain types of dispute, such as employment issues. Civil courts have been the standard way of solving disputes, but it is often not the best solution. Some problems are dealt with by tribunals and others might go through small claims court. Tribunals are often used to resolve work-based problems, although there are tribunals in many other fields, such as asylum and mental health issues. They are less formal than courts but produce rulings that are legally binding. An expert judge takes the lead with experts who understand the issues. There are also ways to avoid a legal system altogether. These include mediation or arbitration. Many government agencies and professional organizations have an ombudsman, who makes decisions when people think they have been treated badly. If you think a bank has behaved badly, you would go to a financial ombudsman. Ombudsmen also work in the fields of property, housing, the law, local government, and the prison and probation services, among others. Ombudsmen are independent, free of charge and unbiased. They don't take sides with either the person who is complaining or the organization being complained about. You usually have to go through the organization's complaints procedure before going to the ombudsman, so it can take a long time. If an ombudsman finds that your complaint is justified, they will recommend what should be done to put things right. An ombudsman can't force an organization to go along with the recommendations, but they almost always do. Mediation can be used to resolve all sorts of disputes, including housing, families, employment, consumer issues and problems between neighbors. A mediator, who does not take one side or the other, helps both sides to work out their problems and attempt to come to some sort of agreement. If discussions are successful, both sides can sign a legally binding agreement. If they can't agree, they can still go to court. There are several advantages. Firstly, mediation is much cheaper than going to court. It is more flexible and informal. The solution may be long-lasting. It is not adversarial as it tries to get people to agree. It can be quicker than court. Finally, there are more solutions. For example, you might just want an apology. There are some examples of costs for online mediation through the government's Department of Justice. In the exam, you might be asked to describe which issues can be taken to a tribunal or explain the advantages of using mediation.